Hey guys, so let me show you how to export on Capcut to Google Drive. So first step, after you finish editing your video on Capcut like this, so the next thing you should do, just go ahead now and click on this export at the top. After you click on the export, now type in the name of the file. After you type in the name, so now select the resolution. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, for now in this option now, there is no option for you to select the Google Drive directory. But now you can click on this option now, export location. So you need to export the video separately on your PC before you can upload the video into your Google Drive. So now I'll select a folder like, let's say, desktop. After you select the folder, so click on this select folder and export. After you finish exporting the video like this one, so now you click on this open file folder. So I'll just open the folder. So now here is the video. After you just get the video, now you go to your browser or you go to your Google Drive. So for me, I'll just go and open my browser, like let's say this one. After I open my browser, all I have to do, I'll just go back. So on your browser, all you have to do, just go ahead now and open the browser and go to drive.google.com on your browser. So after you type in drive.google.com on your Google browser or any browser, so from there it will take you into your Google Drive. If it is your first time, it will ask you to sign in, but if it is not your first time, it will just take you into the Google Drive. So it will give you the interface like this one. So like this. So after you come to this option, the next thing you should do, you can just click on this new file button. After you click on the new, so go to upload file. So now you go and locate the file that you exported. So now let's say here is the video on my desktop. I'll go to desktop and find the video. So here is the video. I'll select the video and click on this open button. After you upload the video, now here is the video is uploading.